and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'll be showcasing this amazing duplex of this duplex. Yes guys, I'll be showing you everything you need to know.
Seated on a half plot of land is this 5-bedroom duplex, newly completed, all in suites, available and right in the market for 65 million naira.
This one looks like just here. Follow me to the most interesting part of the house. I love this because your kids can just keep running up and down. Yeah, come. My most interesting part here. You can see everyone from here. Come see.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
My favorite part would be here. I can see the world. I mean, this is Owerri. I can see Owerri from here. Everywhere. Everywhere. I can see Owerri from here. Cool sit out. Just for you and your family. And for 65 million naira, you can have this for you and your family. If you do enjoy watching this, oh, come. That's the boys' quarters. I mean, the security house. That's the security house. That's the security house just down there, right there. That's the security house. So we have to end this video here. So for 65 million naira, you could be the owner of this 5-bedroom duplex located at plot 12 Federal Housing Estate Umuhuma here in Owerri. Allocation paper is available. The power of attorney is available. Just move in with your family and enjoy the serene environment, the peace and tranquility that this estate enjoys. Security wise, water, electricity. This is power. This is NEPA. We're not using any generator. You're safe and secure in this environment. So hit me and then send me an email and let's hook you up with this amazing duplex. So till I come your way next time, stay well, stay safe.
Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and turn on your post notification for more videos like this.